Chance of rain 70. This is a test of the Maryland Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the Maryland Tornado Drill. This tornado drill is conducted to give Maryland residents the opportunity to exercise their tornado safety plan. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 11 a.m. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Those in Maryland should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for April. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drilling test of the Maryland Emergency Alert System.